Unscrew and remove the upper hinge cover from the refrigerator and then set it aside. Remove the screw securing the upper hinge to the refrigerator and set that aside. Simply lift the door up off the bottom hinge and set it aside. Unscrew and remove the upper hinge cover from the refrigerator and unplug the harness. Then remove the screw securing the upper hinge to the refrigerator and set it aside. Lift the door off the bottom hinge. Position the door onto the bottom hinge. Line up the hole at the bottom of the door with the bottom hinge. And repeat the process for the other side. Secure the top hinge onto the refrigerator. Insert the screws by hand threading them first. Then tighten. Insert the blue and red wires into the slot on the left side of the hinge. Then, insert the hinge posts into the door and secure the top hinge onto the refrigerator with the screws. Hand thread the screws first, then tighten them. Reconnect the blue and red wires by lining up the tabs and making sure they click for a solid connection. You now reinstall the door hinge cover by tightening the screw and being careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic door hinge cover.